My name is Dusty Waldrop. I am an equipment technician at DMOS 5. And as an equipment technician, I work on equipment that has either broken or we're maintaining it. And so every day there could be something that we've never seen before. And that's, I think, my favorite part is going in and fixing it and figuring out something that I've never figured out before. Our technology goes into cell phones, it goes into automobiles, anything you could think of, we make chips for. And so equipment technicians have a really large role in making sure that the tools that we use to make those chips stay running and can deliver our product to the customers. I started at TI right out of high school, and I've been here almost 20 years now. And the reason why I've stayed so long is because we're so family oriented here and very goal oriented, and we work together to achieve the same goals. When I came to TI, I came at entry level. And whenever I started, I found out that I really like fixing equipment. And so from there were all kinds of opportunities to promote myself from within. And now I'm a supervisor, and I feel like there's even more in my future here at TI.